Welcome back to our channel One Step everybody. It's me Vijay Kevin, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can update any apps on your iPhone. So if you guys are tired of updating every single app individually on your iPhone, then watch our video until the end to solve this problem. Just before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. Let's move on. First step, you want to go to your app store because you download apps from App Store. If you downloaded apps from like your Safari browser on your iPhone, then there's no button in your Safari browser you can click to auto update everything. This button is only available for like the App Store. All right, so come in App Store. App Store is like the Play Store of Apple. All right, so just keep that in mind. Once you're over here, click on your profile picture looking icon at the top right corner or your avatar looking icon. Now once you're over here, basically what you want to do is there's going to be an update button. So since all of my apps have been updated over here, there is not like update all button, but once you come in this page over here, there's going to be an update all button. If you don't find it, try to scroll a bit down. There's going to be an update all button. You want to click on that update all button, then all of your apps on your app store is going to start to update. All right, so since all of my app is over here up to date, there's no update all button, but if there was even a single app that need to be updated, there's going to be an update all button. Once you click on the update all button, all of your app on your app store will start to update. Only those apps which requires update is going to update. All right, so don't think like those apps which is already updated are going to get updated, so just keep that in mind. So hope you guys understand on how you guys can update any apps on your iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step everybody. I'll be seeing you guys on my future video. If you guys have any questions relating this video, feel free to comment down below. All right, bye bye everybody.